So right here I have a couple of rounds of pasta dough that I already cut out, right? And then we have a roasted beet and mascarpone filling, which you can find the recipe on the blog. So I'm gonna put a little bit in the center here. Sometimes you find them, and the big thing about tortellini is that you want that kind of bowl shape, but you also want a little hole in the center, and that can be difficult. Some people use their pinky. I have giant hands, so it makes a really awkward looking tortellini. So I devised a way is you take either a chopstick right here, I have a deco spoon, so it gives me different gauges, and I just put it into some salt. We all have salt in our kitchen, and it makes it nice and sturdy.
Okay.
So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush gently around 50% of the dough, so around the bottom half. We'll fold it right over and make a little pinch right at the top, and then I work my way around, kind of holding in that filling.
Okay.
If you don't, it'll jet up the sides. And then you have beet all over your hands, you have beet all over the table. So you go very slowly, and if you see it starting to fill, you just kind of crimp it off. The next part is I take these two ends and I hold them, and I just make them meet on the other side of my deco spoon. I just give it a quick pinch. Right. Now that just looks like a normal tortellini, but if you let it sit for a day, you get this beautiful purple, half purple, half yellow color, and then when you cook it, it turns into a nice burgundy, which we'll see in our final dish. Lay down a little bit of semolina flour, let them sit for a day, they peel right off, and then when you cook them, we have a nice, beautiful
I love that
finalized
color.
dish.
It's really like a purpley red and not.
Yes.
So it's like romantic, but not in your face about it.
Exactly. So let's make a final dish.
Okay.